Well, I'm back again. Crazy. Now we got some hail. We got some pretty good hail coming down. Look at this. I'll be darned. My chair was up here and it got blown down there. Oh, look at the hail. I was just looking at the Medford Mail Tribune, and they just updated their webpage and said that they were predicting quarter-size hail. This is, some of them might be the size of a dime, but not a quarter. It just keeps coming down and down and down. I gotta go find my shoes, and I'm sure I'm gonna run out of battery power here if I keep filming much longer. Yeah. But what the hey? This is cool. This is fun. I've shut my air conditioner off, and I'm just have everything open up because it's cooled down so much. And I'm actually cold now. I kind of want to go put a long sleeve shirt on or something. But this is fun. Oh, now I really got a problem. Now look at my, I don't know if the camera can get it, but oh, you know, that thing up there that holds the water. Come on, Dan. The rain gutter. Look at the rain gutter. I hope the camera gets this. It's actually overflowing. Oh, interesting. I think it's just a matter of the gutters simply can't handle all this stuff. And I don't know how the pickup's faring inside. I tested that sunroof back in June with the garden hose, but I have no idea if it's leaking in there right now. I can kind of look in there and I don't see any obvious river flowing, but through the window, thank God, but I don't know. I don't know how the back window doesn't fit securely, and I'm not pushing the right button. Okay. Now, the back window is not a real secure fit. It just slides back and forth, and I'm sure it's actually leaking down the back of the seat. I'm sure. This is huge. This is flash flood material for sure. But it keeps this up much longer, and now we can see a real puddle over here in the very corner of my asphalt. And again, I'm pushing the wrong button, but we got it now. Zoom in on it. That is Lake Dan over there. That is a huge lake. It's built up at the very corner, and I can go all the way down, clear out there to my street, and I just got this huge lake all the way across, and it'll flow across the fence eventually, if not already. But this is how flash floods happen. How they get started for sure. Now there's some green sky up there, blue sky, sorry. But as you can see in the distance, there's more thunderheads building up. That's over in the Klamath Falls area. That's not smoke, that's a thunderhead. And that's probably east of Klamath Lake. And you hear a train whistle. I'm not too far from the tracks. Well, anyway, I thought I was done filming. but I'm not, because I just can't seem to not come out here and film. Look at my lake over there. That has got to be a couple of 100 gallons of water right there in the corner. And to think I was out here at 6 o'clock this morning watering because I didn't go up to church because I was hungover. Stupid me. So I was out here watering as the sun was coming up. Didn't need to do that. Flash. Well, we might be back again here in a little bit. I will have to change my battery. Wow, I'm kind of glad I got all this. You can hear the thunder. The storm is actually behind me and over here. See, over here and towards Ashland and Phoenix and Talent, it's kind of clear, but back there up in Jacksonville and Rouge, they must be having a time. Well, that's it for now. We might be back.